So here is how you can change your gender on your Instagram account. This is actually really easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any single steps. The very first thing that we need to do is open up our Instagram app. So once you have opened up Instagram, you want to click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner. That's going to lead you over to your Instagram profile page. Once you're here, you want to click on edit profile on the left hand side. And then if we scroll down a bit in this section, you can see that there's going to be an option that says gender, and then under mine it says prefer an RSA, but go ahead and click on that, and then you can choose to change your gender to be a male or a female, or you could customize it, and then you can write your custom gender if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. So now as you can see, my gender has been changed to Bob, so that is my gender. Now you can also go further by going into your pronouns. And then you can basically add your pronouns, which is going to be linked to your gender in some way. So you can go ahead and type in she or he, and go ahead and change your pronoun. So you can change your gender and your pronouns. And so as you can see, I have now changed my gender to Bob, and my pronouns are she, he, XY.